All right, so these are those pedals that I ordered. I absolutely love these. They've been on, I think since they've been on, I put probably about 500 miles on the bike. Uh, they actually do, I ride in the wintertime a lot as well. I was really impressed with how these things don't slip as much as I thought they would, even, with the ice and snow. They actually still grab my shoes. But I like them a lot. You can see they've gotten some use, some chip paint, but I've also had these for a few months and I ride a lot. So um, I hope this helps. It is actually on an old school Trek 820 that I've kind of fixed up. But yeah, I absolutely love these pedals. I've tried a couple different kinds and I went to these and I've stuck with them. So yeah, enjoy.
Put these on my SoCal Flyer a couple weeks ago. Finally took it out for a ride yesterday, and these bearings went bad. As soon as I started pedaling, it started crack, 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 crack. I don't know if I should buy some more or go with a different brand, but you can see the bearings went bad inside. I never even knew that could happen.